Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today we are going to read a new chapter in SST and it's chapter number 12 of festivals. So festivals simply means tyohar. Okay, so we all celebrate festivals, you know that, and festivals are simply a time of joy and celebration. Okay, on different festivals, we wear new clothes, we eat special kind of food, and we visit our friends and relatives on different festivals. Okay, so there are different kinds of festivals that are celebrated at different times of the year. Okay, and here in this topic, in this lesson, we will discuss about festivals that are celebrated in India. Okay, so there are two main kinds of festivals that are celebrated in India. First one is religious festival and the second one is harvest festival. Okay, so what are religious festivals? Religious festivals are those festivals that are celebrated by the people in India as per their religion. Okay, as you all know that India is a land of many religions. There are Hindus, there are Muslims, Sikhs, Christians, Buddhists, Parsis and Jains. Okay, so people of all these religions have their special days which they celebrate. So in among the religious festivals, तो religious festivals क्या होते हैं कि जो लोग होते हैं अपने अपने religion के हिसाब से वो festival मनाते हैं. For example, हम जैसे या मुस्लिम्स तो हम ईद मनाते हैं ना, जैसे कि हिंदूज है, हिंदू दिवाली मनाते हैं, सिख्स गुरुपुरब मनाते हैं, या क्रिश्चियंस क्रिसमस मनाते हैं. तो बहुत सारे रिलीजन्स हैं इंडिया में. सो ऑल द पीपल around our country, around India, celebrate their festivals as per their religion. So the first one festival, or the first religious festival that we have here is Diwali. So Diwali is the religious festival of Hindus. Okay, तो दिवाली जो है ना ये हिंदूज का religious festival है and it's called as the festival of lights. तो दिवाली को festival of lights कहा जाता है. Why is it called as the festival of lights? Because on that day, on that festival, people decorate their houses with diyas and lamps, and people do one more thing on that festival. They pray goddess Lakshmi. तो वो goddess Lakshmi की पूजा करते हैं उस दिन पे, and people wear new clothes and exchange स्वीट्स एंड गिफ्ट्स विद फ्रेंड्स. तो क्या होता है कि दिवाली जो है हिंदूज का रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल है. उस दिन वो गॉडेस लक्ष्मी की पूजा करते हैं और वो क्या करते हैं, वो अपने घरों को डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ लाइट से सजाते हैं. ठीक है, एंड पीपल वेयर न्यू क्लोथ्स एंड वो क्या करते हैं, वो अपने फ्रेंड्स रिलेटिव्स को गिफ्ट्स भी देते हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिवाली. एंड कीप वन पॉइंट इन योर माइंड रिगार्डिंग दिस दिवाली, एंड दैट्स दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट्स. इसको फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट्स कहा जाता है. नेक्स्ट वन इज ईद. सो ईद इज द रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल ऑफ मुस्लिम्स. तो ईद जो है ना ये मुस्लिम्स का रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल है. मतलब ईद जो है हम मनाते हैं, मुस्लिम्स मनाते हैं. ठीक है, तो ईद कब मनाते हैं? दिस इज सेलिब्रेटेड एट द एंड ऑफ द होली मंथ ऑफ रमजान. तो जब रमजान का महीना खत्म हो जाता है ना, तो उसके बाद ईद मनाई जाती है. People go to the mosques to offer their prayers, and they wish each other Eid Mubarak. And there is one more point that you need to keep in your mind regarding this festival, and that's people also wear new clothes during that festival, and they meet their friends, families, and a special dishes prepared on that particular day, and that's Sivaya. Okay, so this Eid is the religious festival of Muslims. तो religious festival किन का है ये? ईद मुस्लिम्स का. ये रमज़ान के बाद मनाया जाता है. तो उस दिन भी लोग नए कपड़े पहनते हैं, एक दूसरे को ईद मुबारक बोलते हैं. ठीक है, तो और एक स्पेशल डिश उस दिन बनता है, एक स्पेशल फूड लोग बनाते हैं. तो वो स्पेशल फूड क्या होता है? दैट्स सिवैया. So another point that we have here is Guru Purab. गुरु पूरब इज द रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल ऑफ सिक्स। तो ये जो वाला तीसरा वाला फेस्टिवल जो है गुरु पूरब, दिस इज द रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल ऑफ सिक्स। सो दिस गुरु पूरब इज सेलिब्रेटेड बाय सिक्स हु सेलिब्रेट द बर्थडेज एंड ऑफ देयर गुरुज ऑन दिस डे। तो गुरु पूरब किनका रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल है? सिक्स का, ठीक है। वो उस दिन क्या करते हैं, जो उनके गुरुज है ना, वो उनका बर्थडे उस डे गुरु पूरब पे मनाते हैं, ठीक है। दे डेकोरेट देयर हाउसेज विद लाइट। तो ये जो सिक्स होते हैं ना, ये भी अपने घरों को लाइट से सजाते हैं, ठीक है। And they go to the gurdwaras to offer prayers and services. And as we read in these two, that people wear new clothes on these two festivals. So on Guru Purab, Sikhs also wear new clothes and meet their family and friends. So Guru Purab is the religious festival of Sikhs, and this festival is celebrated. This festival is celebrated by Sikhs, just to remind or just to celebrate the birthdays of their gurus on this day. So people wear new clothes, people decorate their houses on that day. So this is all about the Guru Purab. The last one that we have here is Christmas. So Christmas is the religious festival of Christians. As you all know that Christmas is the religious festival of Christmas. These are Christians, and Christmas is celebrated on 25th Dec. तो जो क्रिसमस है ये 25 दिसंबर को मनाया जाता है एज द बर्थडे ऑफ जीसस क्राइस्ट। Okay, so Christmas is the religious festival of Christians, and it is celebrated every year on 25th December as the birthday of Jesus Christ. On this festival, people also decorate their houses, and a Christmas tree is also decorated on this day. So children on this day believe that Santa Claus comes on Christmas Eve and gives presents to them. So the main point that you have to keep in your mind regarding this Christmas is that this is the religious festival of Christians, and it's celebrated on 25th December as the birthday of Jesus Christ. So my dear students, you got this point here now, and that's the religious festivals are those festivals that are celebrated by people around India as per their religion. For example, if there are Hindus, they celebrate Diwali, Muslims celebrate Eid, Christians celebrate Christmas, these Sikhs celebrate Guru Purab. So religious festivals are those festivals that are celebrated by people as per their religion or according to their religion. मतलब जिसका जो religion होता है, अपने अपने religion के हिसाब से हर कोई अपना अपना फेस्टिवल मनाता है।